see what I see.
You see? Yes, I do see.
Well, let's come back.
All right.
You go first. Wala.
Naku, dyan magaling si Danny.
O Yeda, anong feeling makakalabas ka na sa wakas? Kasi last vlog, di ka makalabas eh.
Punta tayong New York, di kasama si Yeda.
Uulan bukas. Uulan ng malakas.
Hindi uulan bukas ng
Hindi
malakas.
papayagan ng shore leave bukas. Revenge times.
Today, we're gonna have a new itinerary.
Now we're going to Brooklyn Bridge.
No?
Yes.
Yeah? Oo.
Yep.
Oo, pre.
Oh, pre.
Sige, sige.
Sige, sige.
Come on, come on.
Sige, sige.
Sa building mo, natutuwa na ako.
Wow!
Danny.
Oh, alam mo na. Oh. This is it. Amit, this is it.
Hey, here.
What does it? How does it feel to be standing next to the
I
bridge?
don't feel any pressure right now.
I think this is it.
This is it.
I love it. Love it. Picture.
Tapos mag-video ka din.
Welcome to Dumbo. Ito na yung pangarap mo.
Ito na.
Tara.
Ano yan?
Picture ako lang sa analog camera ko yung ano, flash na.
Sige. Shoot, nakalimutan ko mag-vlog. Tigo mo, oh. 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 How's the feeling?
Oh, feeling good. Dream come true.
Dream come true, right?
Yeah. Never I thought that I would be here.
Yeah, I only see this in Pinterest and Twitter.
Yes.
Just Pinterest.
I only see this as an SNF.
Yeah, it's true.
Brooklyn Bridge.
Brooklyn Bridge. No?
Bobby C. Go down.
Bobby C. Get out from there.
Yeah.
I'm just...
Madam, silipin ko lang.
Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring.
Kumiyak. Kumiyak. Hulog yun.
Umiiyak na yung kilikili ko.
Trailer for sailoring.
Magsisettle sa kung kasi mahal.
True. Oh, ito, Brooklyn Bridge. Magkano ginastos natin? Wala.
Wala? Libre mo?
Trailer for sailoring.
Yung ano namin, sound tech namin, naging photographer na. Let's
I'm
go.
gonna become an official photographer for this.
Ganda. Sobrang ganda talaga. Hindi ikaw. Ang ganda ng bridge. Oh, go. Ano ka ng toko talaga?
Kanal energy.
Trailer for sailoring.
Welcome to Brooklyn Bridge!
Woo!
Yeah! Uy, kilala ko to ah! Idol! Pwede ba picture? Dapat ganun ka din. Dapat ganun ka din. Sige nga, sige nga. Paano yun? Talaga, shocks. Parang panaginip lang, no?
Hindi nga nagsisingkin eh.
Ako rin eh.
Ako naglalakad sa kawalan. Ha? Horste. Ayusin ko Dani ah. Binabantaan kita.
Uy, bakit?
Ay, Dani we trust.
Papakita ko lahat ng...
In Dani we trust.
Bastos. Magano tayo ah? Magti-train pa tayo.
How to train a dragon.
Reset. Choo-choo! Wala ba yung talagang kaibigan?
People of the world, your hands.
Guys, nakaisang oras na tayo dito. Wala pa tayo sa kalahati. Puro kasi picture to si Yeda. Oo.
Tagal pa ba yan?
Hindi, malapit na yan, oh. More than half na.
Kailangan muna natin mag-transform ulit.
Paano? Sabog talaga tong kasama ko. Pagpasensyahan nyo na.
Sorry. You can't have it all. Hindi pwede maganda lang.
Yeda.
Dapat baliw.
Yeda. Sun all. Almost there. Almost there. This is the end of our Brooklyn Bridge tour. Kain tayo.
Kain tayo. Pizza.
Amit, she wants to stay here.
What she wants?
She doesn't want to go back to the ship.
Oh no.
Saan ka mag-stay dito?
Sa kanan.
Buisit ka talaga.
Ganda. Kayo, may hotdog doon.
Si Yeda. Yeda! Psst. Tara kaon.
Kaon na ta?
Kaon na. Karakana ka mo.
At karikot ka?
Nakarigos ka duman. Day pa?
Kain tayo.
Metro. Right. First time doing subway in New York. Yan. Good job, kids. Yes. Finally. Amit, if we get lost, holy shit, we get lost.
If we get lost, don't worry.
No worries. Angela has her back.
Angela has a back. She'll email.
Of course.
She'll email.
She'll email.
Switch her.
Ba't ka nakatayo?
Naka-video mo. Uy, kasama sa reels ko to eh.
First time mo sa subway.
Sandwich.
Kamusta experience dito sa LRT?
Okay naman. Walang maasim.
Ano yan yung mga nakikita mo sa pelikula? Halika.
Hindi ako nanonood ng movie eh.
Ano ba?
Pasok po.
Pasok po sa bahay namin.
Tara.
umiiyak?
Hindi ako naiiyak na. Akala ko nawala na kayo. Hindi ko kayo makita.
You see what I see?
You see? Yes, I do see.
Well, let's come back.
All right.
You go first. Wala.
Naku, dyan magaling si Danny.
Yeda.
Kawawa naman si Jollibee. Pulutin mo nga doon.
Hindi, nag-i-enjoy siya. Huwag mo na bulutin. Hayaan mo siya. Nag-i-enjoy siya dyan eh. Yeda in New York. Very happy. Woo! Hindi na pala siya the big apple, no? The big hotdog na kasi siya eh. Dog, kaya mo ba to? O yan na! Si Yeda at ang walang katapusang lamon. Man, I tell you man, this girl never stops eating.
Yeah.
And somehow, for some reason, she doesn't get fat.
Yeah, she doesn't put on weight.
Yeah.
That's good. That's the best part. Yes. Weight?
Sarap. Patikim. Ang tamis. Putang inang yan. May diabetes ka ba?
Diabetes.
Tuwing lalabas ka, amoy mo weeds. Say bye to the vlog.
Yeah, hi.
Babalik ako.
Yeah.
Babalik.
So bitin.
I was gonna tell you that.
Yeah,
I was like, no,
I searched the meaning of my
I was like,
my name
I was
and it's
containing myself.
insane.
I was like containing
It's crazy.
myself. I'm
Which
not
is
gonna
true.
say this.